as full-time RVers for 4 years now, our shower definitely gets a lot of wear and tear, and we noticed recently that we have a couple small cracks that are leaking water through that we're gonna fix. For this repair, you're gonna need a can of Flex Seal, a paintbrush, some painter's tape, and super glue. The original post that we saw for fixing the pan of the shower actually said that you should drill a hole at the beginning and the end of the crack to keep it from spreading and then put hot glue in it. However, it makes us a little nervous as RV owners to put anything permanently hole-wise in our RV, and also we don't have a hot glue gun, so today we're just gonna be super gluing it. While we let the super glue dry, I'm gonna go ahead and tape up the bottom of the shower pan. I've heard about Flex Seal a lot, and it can actually be a bit of a controversial subject, but you know what? I guess we'll see. Now this part is very important because you don't want to end up with raggedy edges, so before it completely dries, but after a little film forms, you're going to want to take off the painter's tape. The instructions say to wait for 24 to 48 hours to let this set. We did 48 just to be safe, and you can always apply extra coats if you feel like you need it. Maybe the cracks weren't completely filled in, but we're pretty happy with ours, and I gotta be honest, I'm really excited to have a white pan on our shower for now. Just so you know, the Flex Seal does make it a little slippery, so we're probably gonna put a non-slip mat on top. And let's be honest, a $25 can of Flex Seal is way easier and way less expensive than replacing this entire shower pan.